Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today we'll be looking at legal assistant in the Delhi Development Authority, a vacancy which is most likely to be ignored by law aspirants preparing for judiciary and APO exams. So, without wasting any time, let us look at the vacancy details. So, you can fill the form from 3rd June 2023 to 2nd July 2023, and the tentative schedule for online examination, that is the stage 1 exams, will be from 1st August 2023 to 30th September 2023. So the schedule has been laid down well in advance for the guys who are preparing. So let us look at the postcode. The postcode for legal assistant is 4 and the grade pay is 4600. So you're guaranteed a very good salary posted in Delhi all your life. So the only two criterias are that you must not exceed 30 years of age and must have 3 years experience at the bar. So those who don't have it, tough luck, tough luck people, it's hard to miss out. So if we look at the total vacancies are 15. Unreserved candidates will have 9 seats, EWS 1 seat, SC 2 seats, ST 1 seat, and OBC 2 seats. So let us also look at the exam process. So there will only be one single stage computer based examination. The question paper will have 120 question of 120 marks, and the paper will be of 2 hours duration. So it is a very good news, everyone, because you only have one paper MCQ based examination of 2 hours which will decide whether you get a job or not. So if you score a very well score in from these 120 marks, you are guaranteed to get selected without having to go through the cumbersome process of writing a full blown main exam and then going through a rigorous interview process. So also it is important to look at the syllabus. What will be the syllabus for this exam? So there will be two parts in this examination. So part 1 will have your law subjects, that are Constitution of India, Delhi Development Act 1957 with rules and regulations, Transfer of Property Act 1882, CPC 1908, Contract 1872, Evidence Act 1872, Hindu Succession Act, Indian Succession Act, CRPC 1973, and Commercial Codes Act 2015. And the part 2 will have reasoning, questions from reasoning, aptitude, general awareness, and the English language. It is important to note here, guys, that part 1 will have 80 questions and part 2 will have 40 questions, 10 each from reasoning, aptitude, and general awareness and English. So, what will be the cutoff and strategy? Before discussing the cutoff and strategy, I think we need to see the last time's result. So, if you see the topper, Mr. Vikas Kumar scored 97.4 marks out of 120 and he was selected in the OBC category. And last time around, there were only 2 seats of unreserved category, that and the candidates scored 96 and 96.4 and 90.9 respectively. So it is safe to assume that because the number of seats have increased, the cutoff will go down. But it is important to note that the competition has increased for government jobs, and therefore the safe score for this exam will be around 100 marks. So if you are getting anywhere above 96 and 97 and up to 100 and 100 above, I think that will be a safe score. And right after the examination, if you're getting 100 marks, you will know for sure that you are getting selected, because this is only a single stage examination. So let's discuss whether this is a good vacancy and why should we digress from our preparation for judiciary and APO and give this examination. So first of all, this is not a good vacancy for everyone, and only for people who are from around Delhi NCR, or want to work in Delhi. This is a very good vacancy because there are 9 seats for unreserved candidates. And why should we prepare for it? Because there is only a single stage computer based examination of 120 questions. So everyone who has given mains and has prepared hard for it and not get gotten selected will tell you that it is a subjective exam. So whether answer X is good or answer Y is better totally depends on the subjectivity of the examiner. But in this exam, everything is in your control. You can take control of your life by giving this exam, because if you work hard, you are guaranteed to get selected, and if you score a good marks, that is of around 195 plus or 100. So that is why, if you want to secure a good job, a decent job, you should most definitely go for this vacancy. So what will be the role of prelims master to enhance your preparation? So first of all, we will be shortly releasing two videos of Delhi Development Act 1957 and the Indian Succession Act. Okay, because more or less all the other acts that you see in the syllabus will be covered in one or the other examination. Even Commercial Courts Act, those people who have prepared for Delhi Judiciary will have, studied Commercial Courts Act. So we at Prelims Master will be shortly releasing videos of Delhi Development Act and the Indian Succession Act. So thank you for watching, everyone.